Black and white videos carry timeless charm, but adding color brings them to life in a whole new way. Colorization can transform old family footage, historic archives, or classic films into vibrant stories that feel current. The process, once manual and time-consuming, now benefits from artificial intelligence and smart tools, making it accessible for anyone. In this video, we'll explore 2 easy methods to colorize black and white footage. There's a method here for you. VidHex Video Enhancer, offering a fully automated workflow. You simply upload your clip, choose a colorization model, and let the artificial intelligence do the rest. The result often surprises you, with natural skin tones, accurate greenery, and realistic skies. Best of all, you don't need to know color theory or masking. The artificial intelligence handles tricky scenes like faces and moving objects. On a modern PC with a good GPU, you can transform minutes of footage in just a few clicks. Step 1. Go to the VidHex official website and click Free Download. Open the program after installation is complete. Step 2. From the main interface of the program, select Add Color from the left-hand menu. Click Band W Colorization, the first option in that section, and follow the instructions to add your black and white clip. Step 3. You will enter a new editing interface. Click the Preview button below the screen to view and compare the colorized effect. At the same time, click the settings icon next to Export All to adjust output settings such as format, bitrate, and more. Once all settings are ready, you can click the Export All button to save the colorized file to your computer. Additionally, the software supports cloud acceleration, which will significantly improve your colorization efficiency. HitPaw Video Colorize is an easy tool to turn black and white videos into color. The artificial intelligence in HitPaw studies each frame and picks the right tone for clothes, sky, and skin. The app works on Windows and Mac. Drag and drop your video file. Click Colorize and watch the magic happen. You can pause, preview, and adjust color strength with a simple slider. No prior editing skills are needed. The clean layout and clear labels keep things simple so you never get lost. HitPaw exports your new video as MP4, MOV, or GIF. It runs fast on most computers, so you don't have to wait. Whether you have old family clips or classic films, HitPaw brings them back to life. In this guide, you will learn step by step how to make your black and white video burst with color. Ready to see history in color? Let's dive in. Step 1. Download and install HitPaw VPA on your Windows or Mac computer. Step 2. Open the app and click on AI Color. Step 3. Choose the B and colorization model. Step 4. Import your black and white video by dragging it into the window. Step 5. Click Preview to let the artificial intelligence colorize your video. Step 6. Click Export, pick your format, and save your new color video. Now your classic clips are bursting with life and color. Now you have to clear ways to bring color into black and white video. Both these tools are using artificial intelligence to help colorize your videos. However, HitPaw requires more on your hardware. Make sure you check out their requirements before using. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe for more video tips.